Yo, how's Tesla? Wow. Tesla, I know, didn't have a crazy earnings beat, although it is up a decent amount. I think it's just kind of following the trend of the market. Typically, I would take it at open, um, like calls or something because of that, but I don't know. I mean, SPY's kind of gap or not gapping. Oh yeah, it is. SPY's kind of gapping out of the its range, but could give us a setup Reddit open. Hmm. Do you file your own taxes? I do actually. I have 3 tax forms sitting next to me right now. It's kind of funny. Actually, it's not all that funny because it's not looking too hot in terms of the amount I gotta pay. It's gonna be hefty, I'll tell you that much. Oh, dude, honestly, I hate that shit. This is a random gap. This is a free cash, hopefully. Hopefully, we don't get squeezed. Do you ever owe because of trading money? Yeah, I do actually. Um, I have for some reason I have a Robinhood. I guess I made a little bit of money on there. What up, Brando? And I have Webull and Coinbase. I don't know why Coinbase. Dude, I don't know what the fuck. I think it's from the Doge trades. Dogecoin, to be honest. I don't know why I have. I can't remember. I'd have to review my statements on Coinbase. Figure out what the fuck that's from. Whoa, this is a good beat. XM. The fuck? TSCO. I'm not talking right now. I need to focus on this. All good. Not the best setup. No, but it looks kind of good. That, oh, fuck, dude. It's gonna be a hard decision. RLX looks pretty good for next week. I don't think that it'll go this week. Thursday, yeah, no. No way. This doesn't look all that bad. Fuck, I don't know. I took like half size on this one. Full size on this. Look at daily on this. This would have been such a good short. This is a 93% move in one day. Oh, that would have been a good one. How long ago was that? I don't know how I didn't catch that. A month ago? Bro, that's fucked. This is like kind of breaking out, but if you guys look at daily, the 200 MA is right here. So looks like it stopped out right there. Not stopped out, but just it capped out right there. Okay, for the most part, I think Tesla, I don't think should continue running. I don't think it deserved a gap this big, especially after the earnings beat that it had. It barely beat. It wasn't much of a surprise. So I don't think it's deserving of a gap like that. I think it's up there a little much. Same with XM. Similar. Okay. I think now we can just check out Spiral, look at chat too. Is the SNOA gonna go down? Not too sure. Wish I could tell the future. Where do you think SPY is headed today? That's actually a really good question. I don't know. I've never been in a situation like this. We've never had a like real bear market like this ever since I've been trading. We had like something similar in 2019, but that wasn't like not like this. This is new to me. No way SPY actually comes to 415. 415's pushing it. 415 is that's a yeah, I don't know about that one. That's a 3% move. I mean, if it gets strength out of this range, it did take out highs, but then it just came and swiped lows. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's pretty like indecisive of where direction is currently. I couldn't tell you, to be honest. February 1st SPY gonna be like 390. Yeah, I wouldn't doubt it's back to like 386 by then, to be honest. LU. This doesn't look bad. Nice little hourly breakout. Guess I'll have to sit on the sidelines for this one. Don't think I'm gonna be taking that. I gotta only take like perfect setups on these, especially where the market is right now. I could get shit on real quick. Flip that port upside down if I expose too much. I'm keeping my exposure to a minimum. Um, just because I don't want things to flip on me. It is possible. I have a lot of stops at break even. Majority of my stops. Wow. Looks like we're coming down for sure. If we can get a reversal at the top of this range, that'd be pretty cool. Then maybe we could see this to continue running. Ooh, this is falling pretty quick. Not sure if this one's gonna hold up, to be honest. Spy dumping on 15-minute. Yeah, I was just looking at that. SPY 399 put? Nah, I wouldn't get anything. Surprised this is still going. What's the TF for MGNI? What do you mean TF? Still sort of stuck in a range if you look here. It's got to get above 1175 to really go. We had volume pick up yesterday and today. Volume's picking up today as well. Seems like this could flip quick though. See SPY. Yeah, that'd be cool if we got set up right on top of the range or the trend line. Nine puts? Nah, I probably wouldn't do that. It's a pretty strong name. Spy's looking weird, to be honest. I feel like it's gonna be a little bit until we get a setup, if so. Oh, this stopped, didn't it? I think so. Yeah. Damn, that's tough. Looks like this gap's probably failing. I think this one I'm probably gonna wait for 1175 break. Re-enter on that one. Gonna wait for a setup that was risky. Account up 2%. Damn, he tucked that. Yeah, that is pretty risky. It's just starting to set up. Oh wow. Yeah, this one's failing. A lot of things seem to be failing. Hmm. This is right on the line. This one's probably toast too. Damn, a lot of things started to go, but then they're just failing quick. RLX is probably the main thing that I'm gonna wait for. Of course, this thing is going back up again. Do you think it's good to buy RLX now? No, I don't. Um, Actually, that's kind of funny because you probably would be fine if you did, depending on where you put your stop. But nah, I'd wait for confirmation. It looks really good, I'll tell you that. But it's pretty fucking slow, to be honest. Spy is just chilling. Can you check Apple? Yeah, what do you want to see about it? Or like what would you like my opinion on? Time frame, setup. What do you want to know about it? Your opinion just overall? I think it's in a pretty weak spot. We look at this trend line. I don't think it's gonna push through, to be honest. Yeah, of course this is going back up. Oh, that's annoying. It's weird because consumer cyclical. These other two names that have volume are holding. I don't get it. So you shouldn't be in SPY because BB didn't contract. We shouldn't be in SPY because there's no setup. I don't have anything in SPY. Should I put some in since it's low? It's the highest it's been in the past 1.5 months. Tesla puts. I wouldn't say so. I mean, just beat earnings slightly. It's probably chilling where it's at for the rest of the day, to be honest. I don't see it doing too much. Ugh. Carvana's actually looking pretty decent. I'm not gonna lie. Coming up here in the next few days, potentially, maybe next week. BBBY, not all that hot. A lot of things are picking up some steam. A lot of small caps. We had a little bit of a run there. Seems like it's kind of at a pause now, though. AMR is chilling by the top. This would be a really good trade to take for a long term. AMR, look at this monthly setup. Weekly looks good too, but this monthly setup is really good. Oh, this will probably do double, triple within the next few years to months. AXP, American Express. No, actually, I don't. Um, I don't really trade. Like, there's not. This is a 2.27 ADR. Yeah, I would never trade that. It doesn't. It doesn't matter. Like, I don't look at things and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna trade that. It's just whatever presents opportunity. Like 90% of these stocks I've never seen before in my life, and they just pop up on my scans, and I'm like, oh, looks good. Okay, good setup. Okay, cool. Take it. I don't need to look into the company. I don't need to do any of that. The chart itself tells me the direction of the stock 90% of the time. Not exact direction, but probable direction. And I think you guys should be able to see that. Like, let's say Tesla, right? For example, pretty easy. Look at it on a bigger time frame, downtrend. Something like RLX, big downtrend, reverses. Now it's picking up steam. So the way that it works is like in terms of swing trading, or if you're looking at like shares positions, stocks just literally move in stair steps. So you have up, sideways, up, right? Shorten your time frame and you'll see that a lot more. Up, up, sideways. Now we're waiting for the up. It's pretty much all it is. It's pretty simple. Tesla down, sideways, reverse trend. But it's kind of just chilling where it's at. Or you use both trend and earnings with tickers from the scanner. So I use all of them. BBKC, trend strategy, earning strategy, short strategy. I use all of them on a daily basis just because that's the best way to increase your odds of winning. Then you have 4 different setups. AEHR, this was something from the earning strategy. Earning strategy is really, really good around earning season in a good market. You can get these things that are complete trend flips. Like this was down 37% in the past 1.5 months. Boom, complete trend flip on good earnings, really good earnings. The thing is, XM, this also had really good earnings, beat significantly, but it's just not holding. That's why I didn't take this. The entry rules pretty much require it to hold. There's a little bit more that goes into it, and I'm sure you guys who have read that document understand it. I thought you don't use BBKC on other tickers besides SPY and Tesla. I use it literally just on ES1. Specifically, I chart ES1 and trade SPY options. Yeah, I mean, for the most part, I don't use it on anything. I don't even use it on Tesla. Maybe on Fridays, depending on the setup. But I'll kind of just briefly look at Tesla. For the most part, it's literally just SPY. Chart ES1, trade SPY. SPY going up? Yeah, a little bit. You could say so. SPY could also be coming back down. This thing's a piece of shit, dude. So annoying. Volume's there on it. That sucks. Then hopefully SPY goes down for puts. Well, you would need a setup first. You would need like a rapid move in a short amount of time, significant move in a short amount of time, and then the setup. If you don't have that, you're not going to get basically any trade. Yep, February 15th earnings. So likely consolidate until then. MDGO was a good one, but it was a biotech. See, this reminds me this reminds me of XM a little bit. Don't you guys think? Flat and then EP. XM flat beats earnings. This should take a shit in a couple seconds here. Is there any way to import a graph from someone else's? I'd use yours for sure. Yeah, if you're in the Discord, I can send you this entire layout, scans, everything. It would literally come with all the watch lists, like everything I'm looking at right now, because I don't feel like deleting all that and redoing it just to hide a watch list from you. I mean, in the Discord, I'd give you it anyway. I'm Braze. Yeah, just open a ticket. I'll send you this entire setup. If you have TC2000 though, you have to pay like $40 a month for it. So once you do that, you show me that you have it. You have gold plus real-time data. I'll give you this entire layout. Comes with literally everything. All the indicators are set up perfectly in terms of like moving averages on specific time frames. Watch lists, scans, everything. Take us on open up. Oh, I think they're broken still. You might have to wait a little bit for that. For those of you who are in here, make sure you like the stream too. I don't know what likes we're at. Let's check. If it's low, you guys are going to be in trouble. 7? Come on. Did you double your account in 2022? Yeah. I mean, I would hope everyone did, right? Or not 2020. Actually, in 2022, no. 2021 to 2022, yeah. This year, so far, I'm at, like, what am I at? Like 10%, something like that. From 2022 to 2023. Nothing crazy. I mean, I outperformed pretty good. If we're talking, let's see. Yeah, I mean, it's down 19% and I'm up 10%. Yeah, that's a pretty good beat. Is there any way you can send Braze your graph? I can send Braze my graph as long as Braze has TC2000. Been on the paper trades. Picking the cons are the hardest part. It's pretty easy. I'll show you real quick. So if you're looking at SPY, right? Here, let's go. Let's find a good setup. Let's check out the 30-minute. Because I remember there was a setup. Oh, what do you know? Setup right here. 30-minute. Okay, so this one, your target. Okay, that's actually kind of a shit example. Let me find one that I know I took. Okay, I took this one. It failed, but I took this one. So here's the... Let me zoom in more. This isn't all the best example. Where is the freaking slider? God, that's so hard to... Okay, so it comes down pretty heavy. We get that reversal setup right here. Takes out the highs, and then your target is this moving average. So you would expect this to continue falling a little bit. You'd probably put your strike like right here, 396.55. So you're dead center in the middle. You're either going to choose 396s or 397s. So that's going to be relative to your account size. The better choice would be 396s because the delta is going to be higher, but they're going to cost more. So yeah, I mean, you're literally just targeting the 20 SMA on whatever time frame the setup is. If it's a 15-minute setup, then you're looking for the 15-minute 20 SMA. 30-minute setup, and you're looking for the 30-minute. Can you give Ian a to be honest? Whoa. What do you mean? You think the Greeks are important for real, for real? I think anything's important that plays into price. You know John Gotti, Guap? I don't really know, bro. I know John Gotti, Guap. No, I think maybe I'm confused. I don't know. Man, LU looks pretty good. It's up too much, though. Hello, Morgan. Do you give alert on Twitter? Yeah, sometimes. Do you know js.vro? js.vro. And this one looks pretty good. I definitely can't take that, though. Throw it on the list. js.vro. Who was that? I remember someone asking me about that a while ago. js.vro. On Instagram? Yeah, Yahoo? I mean, this kid that's posting him smoking whatever the fuck that is. Just doesn't look like a very trustworthy person. Can you give JSVRO a to be honest? A to be honest. All I see is these pictures of him smoking weed. His profile picture is only posts. That like middle school stuff, haha. Yeah, I don't know what you mean to give him a to be honest. I must be confused. Maybe I hit my head and I'm confused. Maybe not. I don't know, bro. You got me lost, to be honest. How about that one for a to be honest? He's like a hype scammer. He's basically asking, what do you think about him? I think that the only two pictures I've seen of him is he's smoking weed. What does that tell you? I think you can use your judgment on that one. Not saying that, like, smoking weed means you're a bad person, but from a presentability standpoint, I think you can answer your own question, to be honest. How about that one? I don't think you need me to intervene and help you out on if that person is trustworthy or not. If that is what the question is, or if that's why you're asking me, you should be able to figure that one out. Seems like an easy task. Man, LU, I really want to fucking take this. But I also don't at the same time. Because it's up so much. Just so tempting. Nah. No need for weed. No need for weed, just get rich. Yeah, pretty much. Can you pull Livy Dunn? Livy Dunn. Oh, I know who you're talking about. I don't know. You think I could? I don't know. It's kind of a funny question. I'd have to give it a shot. See, the problem is I'm more interested in like this right here. I don't really care about that bitch. It's probably why I wouldn't be able to, because I just wouldn't care. My heart is set on MLGO. No, I'm just talking about like trading in general, trading, business, those type of things. That's what I care about right now. TBH. Man, MGNA, you piece of shit. Watch it go tomorrow too. Oh my god, that'll piss me off. You care about Jim as well? Not as much as I did. Right now, I don't care all that much. See this thing go for highs and then fade. Okay, fade. Go. Huh. Oh shit. Why is today so fucking slow, dude? Like nothing's moving. What Tesla's the highest volume on the volume scan? What do you know? It's not going anywhere. It's 0.5% away. What the fuck? Absolutely nothing. Oh, well, there goes that. Okay, now can we get the fade? SNOA has a good setup. A question I've been wanting to ask was, how do you know which strike price to buy since there's many, by theta and price of contract? I just covered that a second ago. I set my strike at the middle band in terms of BBKC strategy. Any other strategy, it really just depends. The other ones I can't tell you all that much because it's dependent on the setup. BBKC is going to be the same every time. What the fuck is going on here? Whatever. The price where BBKC lies is the strike price you want to get into. If the I don't know what you mean by that. It's literally just the middle band. The setup were to be like up here. Let's say there's a setup at 405. Your strike for puts is going to be 402. Let's say there's a setup down here. Your strike is going to be 402. It's just the middle band. You're just targeting the middle band. It's a mean reversion strategy. And everything is slow as balls. This is so fucking stupid. SNOA, what are you doing? Yeah, well, good thing I covered literally right here. Alright, I'm probably gonna head out. This is boring. Very boring. It's kind of picking up. Still super boring. I'm just gonna throw this 15-minute up and chill for a little. See what happens. Probably nothing. Alright, I will see you guys tomorrow if I don't see you guys later.